Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to upload assessment of individual part 4. Especially this question is your 2015 question paper question. The first information it relates to the house property. He is the owner of the house consisting three equal independent units. The municipal value of the house is rupee 1,80,000. First and second unit are let out on a monthly rent of rupee 6,000 each. Third unit is occupied by him for his own residence. Municipal taxes are 10% of municipal value which is paid by him. During the year, he repaid the housing loan of rupee 60,000, of which interest is rupee 3,90,000. So the first information it relates to the house property. House property the common format. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Format of computing income from house property in case LOP. First we have to comparison between municipal rental value or fair rental value. Step 1 result whichever is higher or standard rent, that result is called as expected rental value whichever is less. ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಗೂ actual rent received ಇಗೂ comparisons ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. If unrealized rent is given, then it is deductible out of actual rent received. So after comparison these were two values whichever is higher, then problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ vacant rent ಇದ್ರೆ it should be deductible out of this result. Then that result is called as a gross annual value. Less deduction under sections 24. 24A is the standard deduction. 24B is the interest on loan. Interest on loan under there are two types of interest on loan. Previous year interest is fully deductible. Pre-construction is 1/5. After deducting 24A and B, the final result is called as income from house property. So this is a format of computing income from house property in case of LOP. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಥವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಮರ್ತೋಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ವಿತೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then even though SOP format is also a very important one. So this is a format of computing loss from house property in case of SOP. In case of SOP, net annual value is always nil. Less deduction under sections 24. It always nil ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 24A standard deduction it is not applicable. So 24B interest on loan is applicable. The final result is income loss from SOP. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now the solutions. So the this 2015 question paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ the first information it relates to house property. So entire house ಅಲ್ಲಿ first and second house is a LOP and third unit is a SOP. So income from house property LOP, 2/3 portion is LOP. Municipal rental value 1,80,000. 1,80,000 ಅನ್ನೋದು entire house ಗೆ. So LOP portion 2/3 portion only means 1,20,000 is a in case of LOP municipal rental value or actual rent received. One the unit in the 6,000 rupees rent are received into 2 unit into 12 months. The total amount of actual rent received 1,44,000. Gross annual value whichever is higher 1,44,000. Municipal tax 12,000. Net annual value 1,32,000. Less deduction under sections 24. The first deduction is the 24A standard deduction. Standard deduction is always 30%. 30% of net annual value. So 30% of 1,32,000 is nothing but 39,600. 24B interest on loan. Interest on loan. So here interest on loan amount what? During the year he paid the housing loan of rupees 60,000 of which interest is rupee 39,000. So this 39,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2/3 portion ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 2/3 portion ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 26 is interest on loan in case of LOP. Interest, so after deducting these all thing, income from LOP 66,400. Then next portion, the third unit is a SOP. One third portion is SOP. We know format. Up to net annual value in case of SOP always nil. Less deduction under sections 24B. Interest on loan 13,000. Loss from SOP 13,000 itself. So LOP income ಅಲ್ಲಿ SOP loss ಅನ್ನ set off ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. After set off these things, 66,400 minus 13,000 set off ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ final income from house property 53,400. 53,400. So this is all about the first information it relates. B ನೋಡಿ, during the previous year he has earned profit of rupee 90,000 from fashion designing business. That means the second information it relates to business. The above noted profit is arrived after charging donations to approved school rupee 5,000 and income tax is rupee 15,000. So this is information about to income from business. So income from business in a solution ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ before we need format. So this is a format of computing income from business. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So first base is a net profit for the year. Add disallowed expenses. Disallowed expenses means which expenses are not related to the business. Add income from illegal business. Add business income if not shown in P&L account. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್. Business expenses which not debited in P&L account we have to deduct. Income chargeable or taxable under the other head, it is also be deductible. So this is a format of computing income from business. So according to this problem, income from business net profit is given is 90,000 and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು expenses ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, donation and income tax. Both are disallowed expenses. Sales tax is allowed one, but income tax is not a allowed expenses. So ಇದೆರಡನ್ನ add back ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ income from business result 1,10,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1,10,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is all about the second head, income from business. So under this problem, third information ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ C item. He sold non-agricultural land situated in urban area. ಅದೇ situated in rural area ಇದ್ರೆ exempted ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. On 15/2/2020 for rupee 5,91,000. The land was purchased for rupee 2,22,300 in September 2005. The CII cost inflation index for 2005 and 6 is 117 and for 2019 and 20 289. So agriculture land which is situated in urban area, agriculture land we know it is a capital asset. So capital asset ಅನ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ gain ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that one is a capital gain. So the third information it relates to income from capital gain. So we know the format. So agriculture land sales consideration is 5,91,000 less index cost of acquisition. Index cost of acquisition formula we know. Cost of acquisition into CII for the year of sale divided by CII for the year of purchase. So here cost of acquisition is 2,22,300 into 289 divided by 117. So here index cost of acquisition value 5,49,000. After deduct these things, income from capital gain 42,000. 42,000. ಇದ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟ್ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಓದಿರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರ, ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಮರ್ತೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then after the capital gain, question ಅಲ್ಲಿ next informations ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the question next information. So he has received interest on saving deposit with bank rupee 8,000 gross. So this is a one of the part of other sources. Then he has received royalty on books of rupee 10,000. It is also be part of income from other sources. He has own prize from crossword puzzles. It is also be part of income from other sources. He has let machinery and furniture at a monthly rent of rupee 5,000 on 1/6/2019. Date is also be very important one. He has spent rupee 2,000 on repairs of the assets and depreciation for the year was rupee 5,000. So he has also made the payment during the previous year. This is also expenses one. So here uh, D, E, and F and G, it relates to the income from other sources. So the fourth and the given information is income from other sources. Income from other sources, interest on saving deposit with bank 8,000. Interest on saving ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟೇಬಲ್ sorry it is a part of income from other sources without any exemptions limit are involved but it can also eligible to claim under section 80 TTA 80 TTA. Next one, royalty on books 10,000. It can also deductible under section 80 QQB can eligible to claim. Let out machinery on 1/6/2019 to 31/3/2020 means let out rent received here 10 months not a 12 months. Per month rent received is 5,000. 5,000 into 12 months, sorry, 10 months means 50,000 rent here received. So related expenses like repairs and depreciation. Repairs 2,000, depreciation 5,000. 50,000 minus 2,000 minus 5,000, 43,000 is a taxable let out machinery income are received. Crossword puzzles 2,500. The finally after added these four items, income from other sources is 63,500. 63,500. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹೆಡ್ಡಿನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ 2015 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ 2,68,900. ಲೆಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 80C to 80U. First priority 80C. Repayment of housing loan 21,000 here eligible to claim. Subscriptions to bonds of NABARD 20,000 here eligible to claim under section 80C. Contribution to units of mutual fund 15,000 it is also be eligible to claim under section 80C. After under section 80C, next one is 80CCC. Contributions to pension fund of UTI 25,000. So ಎರಡು 80C plus 80CCC total ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 81,000 here eligible to claim. As per the 80CCE, limit is rupee 1,50,000. But total is less than the limit, no? So this fully 81,000 is eligible to claim under section 80C. Next one is under section 80 QQB. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 80G ಬನ್ನಿ. Okay, under section 80 QQB, royalty on books rupee 10,000. 80 TTA, interest on SB deposit with bank 8,000. 80G, donations to approved school 5,000 or donations to approved school ಯಾವ category ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ with the limit of 10% of adjusted gross total income or 10% of adjusted gross total income. Working note number 1. We know the formula for calculating adjusted gross total income. Adjusted gross total income equal gross total income minus under section 80C to 80U minus long term capital gain. After deducted these all things, the adjusted gross total income is 1,27,900. 10% of 1,27,900 andre the limit range is 12,790. So 12,790 here answer. After comparisons to these two values, 5,000 is a lesser value. So adral 50% is eligible because donations to approved school ಯಾವ category ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ with limit of 10% of adjusted gross total income 50% only ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5,000 in a 50% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2,500 is the amount. So the finally after deducting 80C to 80U, taxable income is rupee 1,67,400. 1,67,400. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಸ್ಸಿಗೆ 1,67,400 ಅಮೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ 2,50,000 ವರೆಗೂ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಿಲ್. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.